Hey everyone, today I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of this 2013 Camry that we got, and we're going to do several things to it, and I'm going to create a playlist just for the things that we're going to do to this Camry. And I wanted to just give you an overview of all the things that we're going to do, and so let's get to that. So like I said, in this video, I just want to go through some of the ideas I had for the Camry. And if you have ideas or comments, please put them below, because I'd love to see kind of what your ideas are. But the first thing that I think we're going to do is we're going to start by blacking out the wheels, painting them black. We'll probably use Plasti-Dip or something like that, along with the emblems. So we're going to do the Toyota emblem in black. Possibly, or actually what I thought I might do a little bit different here is to do just this part here in black and then leave the emblem as silver. We'll see. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. Again, comment below if you have some suggestions on what we can do. If you notice, there's a lot of curb rash on this front clip. And then one thing, I'll kind of zoom in, I had to duct tape this. So this is all just duct tape because this front clip is busted, and so we'll be replacing this whole thing at some point. So that's kind of one of the big things that we're going to change on this car. And then if we go around to the back, one other thing I was thought about doing is yeah, again, obviously we'll do Plasti-Dip the emblems black here on the back. I was going to plan on wrapping this spoiler in black, so you kind of see that there's a, I don't know if I'll use Plasti-Dip on that as well, not sure yet. But then also I wanted to do the top in black to kind of give it a kind of real distinct look. We'll clean up the scratches in the bumper here, and things, things like that. But that's pretty much it on the exterior of the car. Oh, there was one thing. I did go ahead and install a backup camera. So there's a video on that already. So I'll give that, I'll link that here as well, so you can see that, installing reverse camera with the factory head unit. And then if we take a look at the inside, or actually the engine, so I'm also gonna do a couple things, just standard maintenance items that I'll cover. We'll do a clean of the engine as well, to kind of show you what I typically do to clean the engine. But this is a new battery, and I have the video that I replaced the new battery, because that was one of the first things that we had to do. But we'll do the normal maintenance stuff too, replacing the air filter, any of the oil change, we'll change the oil, just the basic maintenance stuff, any brakes and things like that that I typically do as needed to a vehicle. We'll show that. I'd like to do something about these headlights too. You can kind of tell they're sort of a little bit foggy. So it'd be nice to try to clean those up if we can. So we may try to do a video on that one as well, to see what that would look like. If we take a look at the inside, it's pretty dirty in here. So like I said, we'll do a full clean video and show you what I typically do. Pull out all the seats, fully and completely clean the inside, get the door panels looking nice. The seats are in real good shape. There are a few stains. You can kind of see some discolorization there, and then on the other side. But we'll take care of all those. And then, like I said, I'll use this factory radio, and I installed the backup camera in the factory radio, and I'll show you how to replace the interior cabin filter, or the cabin air filter as well. And that's really about it that we're gonna do to the inside. I think the inside's pretty good the way it is, as far as any updates or anything like that. But other than just really cleaning it up and making sure that everything is maintained properly. But that's about it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to throw together a quick video to kind of show you my plans for the Camry and kind of show you what we'll be doing. So this will kind of be the first video you see in the Camry playlist, just so that you have an idea as to what all we're shooting for here. And please let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or ideas to kind of make this Camry stand out. Looking forward to walking through the changes with you.